Hello customer. When you see the warning message from the screen, stop and please check. This is usually caused by the thermistor signal transfer to the motherboard is not received. So the connection maybe is loose or not connected. So currently we have used the glue gun to glue it, but the former printer may not attach this so well, or after long time printing it could be loose a little bit, and there will be warning message. And how to fix this, I will show you. And we need one 3mm hex wrench, and we will start. Take off the tube. You push it down and pull so you can get the filament tube off. So we are going to take off the outside cover so we can check the cable. The cable is from the extruder to go into the motherboard. So now, first we need to take off this lower spring level. So you can use only lose one screw so you can take it off. So okay, you turn it anti-clockwise to lose it. And okay, so this is off. Make sure you have one of the cloths to protect it from scratching. And then we need to take off the cover. So there are 4 bolts to locking it. So you can screw it off one by one. Okay, second. All right. The third one. The fourth one. Okay, so now we take off the top cover. You can push it a little bit from both sides so you can uncover it. Okay. Yeah, you can leave this level and pull this up. So now we can see the cable. It's go from, this is black cable is a thermistor cable. This cable go to the motherboard and here. So this cable right here, it's go inside to here. Maybe I can take a open one. And then maybe it's not clear to you, so I will disassemble more. But actually from here you can see the connector inside. Sometimes you can push the pin. There are 2 pins for the thermistor. Pin is losing, is falling out, so you push the pin inside. You can use one of the scissors to push the pin inside. Will fix the issue. But now I will disassemble more. Okay, and the back of it, there are 2 more bolts. Lose it. So we can take off the lower bottom. All right, okay. Another 2 more bolts off. So we can uncover it. Pull it up. Put this aside. Okay. And we can see the front cover, which we have 4 bolts to lock it. So we need to lose the 4 bolts to take them 4 bolts off. Let's take out the first one. Okay, the first one off. And on the side, on the top, there are second one. All right. Okay, and the bottom right side, there's a third one. And there's a last one right here. Okay, the 4 bolts are off. So we can take off the front cover now. Put here, and you can lose it here. All right, we don't have to take all the cable off. So now you can see here, on the top black connector, this one, let me pull it off. This one is the thermistor connector. Sometimes there are 2 pins. One of the pin may be falling out, so you need to use one of the scissors to push the pin back. Invert it back and re-plug it back to the connector. You push it back so it's a wheel attached. This way we can fix the thermistor temperature fluctuating or no signal to the motherboard issue. So there will be no warning message displayed. Okay, we need to reassemble the printer. Please handle it with care. Okay, the front cover is back, and we need to lock it. The 4 bolts on the 4 corner. First one, go. Okay, it won't have to be too tight. It's just lock it. It won't lose. Will be fine. Oh, sorry. The second bolt. Okay. Third one. Still go up. Make sure the cloth is very important to under your printer, so it can protect it from scratching. The third one. Okay, the last one. The fourth one. All right, so, okay, then we are going to cover the bottom cover. Yeah, you see this a window for this control board. So black control board. The window side towards it, and cover it. Make sure all these seals are inside, and the outside cover can cover it. Okay. And then we lock the bottom 2 bolts. And the next one. Okay. All right, the bottom is up. And then we need to lock the top cover. The most important is this extruder. Yeah, first insert the extruder into the hole. So then push it back. Yeah, you match the seal. Okay, 4 sides are all well. Okay, so we lock the bolts from one side. You put it aside and then you lock it. Okay, the second one. Right. Put back on the bottom, on the side, sorry. And you lock the third bolt. All right, the last frame bolt. All right. And finally, we need to insert the spring lever. Spring, put the spring back, and there's one of the raised area which can stop locking you insert the spring into the hole and pull it to match the hole, and then you push it up and you insert the bolt into the hole and you lock it. It don't have to be very much tight, and there is I think it's about 1 millimeter space between it, so it won't jam. And you can check if you can move the lever freely. If the lever is freely, okay, you fix it. And then we insert the filament tube back. All right, okay, congratulations. You have fixed the warning message issue. Thank you for your watching.